How to use Pay Later on Flexiti Financial Card purchases. So once you already created or once you already applied a card or an account with Flexiti, then all you have to do is to check if you're eligible to use the financial card purchases. So once you already been approved with financial card purchases, this will actually show up your payment methods from Flexiti. So all you have to do to split your big amounts of purchases is just to make sure that you are being approved, that your Flexity account has been successfully approved. So if you are been approved to use the financial card purchases, then you're allowed to use 6 or 12 or even 24 months of pay later. So that's it. That's how you can use a pay later and Flexity financial card purchases. You'll just have to make sure that you comply all these necessary informations from this site and make sure that you're fully approved.